Hello everybody and welcome to Just Handcrafts Crochet Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to do the magic circle. First you want to get your yarn and put your tail over here to the left if you're right-handed. And then you're going to make a loop very similar to the slip knot, but it's going to have one little extra twist to it. So you make your loop, and then you pick up the circle and you pull your working yarn through here. But what I do is I twist this around, okay? And then you want to grab your hook and insert it through there, and then get a hold of your working yarn, yarn over, and make a chain. You can tighten that up. And then you can see you've got your magic circle. It was that simple. Let me go over it one more time. You've got your tail here. You make your loop, loop it around, lift this end up, and pull your working yarn through. But then, let me hold this still. Twist. Then you insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. And there is your magic circle. Now, one more time, just to make sure you got it. Put your yarn on your left-hand side, make a loop, pick up your loop, and bring your working yarn underneath. Then twist that loop, one twist, insert your hook, yarn over, and this is really loose, so it can be a little tricky. Yarn over and pull through, tighten it up. And there it is. Now, why do you want to do a magic circle? Well, whenever you are working in the round, this comes in very, very handy. The traditional way of working in the round is you start off with a chain 4 and then slip stitch together. The next row is the trickiest because then all your stitches have to go inside that chain 4 circle. Now we'll show you on these two examples of granny squares. This was made with a chain 4 circle, okay? And all my stitches had to fit through that chain 4. Now this wasn't too difficult because it was only the 12 stitches. But if you're doing a hexagon or an 8-sided, or if you're doing a circle that starts with 16 double crochets, this hole has a tendency to just get tight and you have trouble getting your crochet hook through the hole to do the last few stitches. Also, on this way, you have this hole in the middle of your work. Now, if you start off with a magic circle, however, you can adjust the size of that circle while you're doing that first row. If you're doing 16 double crochets in the same circle, you have more than enough room to put all those stitches in. And then when you get done with that row, or maybe the second row, what you can do, if you flip this over, there's your tail from the very beginning. You can pull that tail and tighten this up to where you don't have that hole. And to me, my opinion, this is a much nicer looking piece of work than this one because you've got that hole in the center and this one you don't. So it just gives it a tighter look. And that's it for the magic circle. Thank you, and thank you for watching Just Handcrafts.